Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished doing an integration installation on this Porsche Cayenne 2012 plate. So what we've done is we've fully integrated phone mirroring onto the original Porsche PCM stereo factory unit. So that's my phone connected via a HDMI cable with the Apple CarPlay lightning adapter. So you can see I'm just literally scrolling across it. You can do loads of, literally mirrors your phone. So let's go to YouTube if I can find it. There's YouTube, search something, so I can just quickly give you a, there we go. So you can see the movie. I've muted the sound so you can hear me. And so that's basically, you got the adverts playing as normal on YouTube, but it's a very clear screen. There you go, just playing there. So that's a completely mirrored. You can have anything you want on the from your phone mirrored on there. You can view the image whilst you're driving, strictly for passenger viewing only. So let's just show you some other bits as well. What we've done on this, let me just close that. So you've got your main screen there, loads of literally just mirrors. What we've also done is we've integrated a digital TV on the screen as well. So we've got a little button just here which comes with the interface we put in, and you just flick it over once again. There's your TV. So what we've done is we've actually put an interface behind the scenes. You won't really actually see anything. Everything's all seamlessly fitted. You've got your little toggle switch there. We've got a TV channel working there at the moment, and there's a remote eye somewhere here. Right, there we go. I think it's mounted there also. And you've got your loads of free view channels just there. You know, all your free to air channels are just literally there. And we've also done, let's put it on 5-star. Okay, so you got that. We also, if we move to the back of the vehicle, we've also put some screens in the back. So these are the latest 4K Android tablets. They're full touch. Okay, so you can basically hotspot your phone to it, and you can watch YouTube on the back whilst you can watch something different on the front as well. So if we just go to the settings here, audio in, AUX. So you've got now the same TV which is viewing on the original screen just over there is now showing on both the screens on the rear. So if you just pan there, so everyone can be watching the same, basically the same screen, or you can have your own thing working in the back here. Let's just close that. So if I just show you the quality, these are 4K screens, and let me give you a glimpse of the quality you get as well. So 4K video just uploaded here. So absolutely crystal clean. Look at the quality and the detail on the image on that as well. Really good. The screens have got HDMI input as well. If you pan down the side, it's really nice flush fit. They're clamped onto the actual headrest bars just there. So the great thing about this is if you decide to change your vehicle in a good few years, then we can remove these and we can reinstall them on a completely different vehicle as well. So if there's something that you're interested in getting done, then you can view our details at the bottom of this this page. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks very much. Thank you.